Grade 9 Organizing Writing. Organizing writing effectively involves several key steps to ensure clarity and coherence. Start by classifying the purpose of your writing and understanding your audience. Brainstorm and list all relevant ideas, and create an outline to arrange these ideas logically. Question: order the topics from broadest to narrowest. Broader, the advantages of building with granite, the advantages of building bridges with granite, and the advantages of building with stone. The correct order is the advantages of building with stone, the advantages of building with granite, and the advantages of building bridges with granite. The advantages of building with stone has the broadest scope. It is the most general. The advantages of building with granite has a narrower scope. Granite is a specific type of stone. The advantages of building bridges with granite has the narrowest scope. It focuses on a particular type of object you can build with granite. The correct answer is the advantage of building with stone has the broadest scope. Second is the advantage of building with granite. Lastly is the narrowest scope, the advantage of building bridges with granite.